mystery. Make sure you're talking. Talk through the process. Oh. I inserted my card. Perhaps bring twice to purchase. Okay. Give me the nutrition facts, and this is a good choice. Now I pick it up. I don't have to open the annoying thing. Enjoy.
So I'm going to check out this vending machine and make a purchase from one of these 4 selections. I'll go with the Snickers bar. I'm going to insert ID, swipe my ID to do so. Okay, I tap the screen twice here to make the purchase, and I claim my bag of chips.
I want to purchase something with cash. I am going to have Snickers. That sounds good. Like nutrition facts. I'm not going to look at that because how much money is this? A lot of Snickers. Yum.
Okay. Alright, I'm hungry again, but I recently lost my ID, so I'm going to use cash to make another purchase. This time I'll go with... You know what? I just realized I said I'd purchase the Snicker bar, but I actually clicked on the bag of chips last time, so that was a mistake. I want a Snickers bar now. Okay, I'm going to use cash as $1. Okay, $1, and I make the purchase by clicking twice, and I claim my prize, or not prize, like a food item, yeah, because, you know.
Okay. I am hungry. I think I will have some Lay's. Let's go check this out. Insert cash. I'll use American Express. Oh, there's nutrition facts. I gotta go on a diet. I don't think I want that. I'm gonna push the X and cancel it. Good. I've saved myself some calories. And inserting some cash into this machine to buy a Snickers. Okay. But I remembered that I ate a Snickers before. I shouldn't have 2 in one day. I think I changed my mind. Never mind. There we go. There's my money. Thank you. Go ahead.
Alright, I'm going to go with a third option, these little mint things. I'm going to insert, how much does it cost? 75 cents. So I'm going to insert 3/4, 75 cents, but I decide that I do not actually want this item. So I click this thing to get my money back. Yes. And there it is.
I'm getting food. I'm gonna insert some cash. And here's $1. And here's some quarters. And I think I just want some gum. Yes, I want to purchase this gum. I pick up my gum. Oh, giving me change. How convenient.
Let's try that again. I'm gonna go with another bag of chips. But I do not have coins, so I'm going to input $2.
You can't do that.
Or I'm going to input 4 quarters, 2 quarters, because for some reason I didn't calculate my purchase correctly. I'm going to make the purchase, grab that, but I have 25 cents change remaining, which I cannot claim. Oh, I see. Okay. So it was automatically returned to me without me having to press the button, and I'm satisfied.
I like the ease of retrieving the purchased goods. I don't have to deal with heavy doors, and I feel like there's a lower possibility of it getting stuck in there, which would be really frustrating. And I like being able to read the nutrition facts. It's very important.
Okay.
Well, it seems pretty self-explanatory, so it's intuitive for the customer, which is pretty much, I'm assuming, what you were going for with this project. So I would not, besides the dollar bill thing, I wouldn't make any modifications necessarily. So, yeah.